The centre is deploying all its legal might to ensure that Tahawwur Rana, one of the conspirators of the 26/11 terror attacks in Mumbai, gets punished for what he did against the country. The centre's appointed Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, Senior Advocate Dayan Krishnan and Advocate Narendra Mann as lead prosecutors in the National Investigation Agency's case against Tahawwur Rana. This team will oversee the trial and all related proceedings concerning the case before the NIA, special courts, High Court and even the Supreme Court. Tahawwur Rana, 64-year-old Canadian of Pakistani origin, was extradited from the United States last month in connection with his alleged role in the deadly 26/11 terror strike on Mumbai.
Central government has issued a gazette notification, explaining that the top legal minds of India, be it Solicitor General Tushar Mehta or ASG, Raju, be assigned to this case, not just for NIA court, but also for Supreme Court and High Court of India. All of these, top legal, people will be in fact representing Tahawwur Rana in every hearing that is set to happen. We do know that Tahawwur Rana has been sent to judicial custody till June 6 in Tihar jail. The NIA had sought, a proceeding in NIA court of Tahawwur Rana, after which he was sent to judicial custody in Tihar jail till June 6. Now the NIA is trying to investigate in this whole matter because Tahawwur Rana is known to be the main co-conspirator rather, of the 26/11 case where 166 people had lost their lives. And not just that, he was the person behind the logistic and also not just logistic but also financial help to David Headley, who was operating under the name Dawood Jilani. Now what we are also understanding is that the government has hereby appointed a team of special public prosecutors headed by Tushar Mehta, Solicitor General of India S.V. Raju, Additional Solicitor General, along with Dayan Krishnan, who is known for his in-depth knowledge in extradition cases. Remember, Tahawwur Rana was extradited back to India on April 10th, and after that he was in the custody of NIA, and when his second custody was ending, he was sent to a judicial custody in Tihar jail till June 6, 2025. That will also be coming to an end very soon, and after that he will once again be presented to the court. Now all these top legal minds of India will be representing, getting into representing the NIA on this whole matter, and we are seeing that the government is working quite sincerely to get the justice delivered for all the 166 people who lost their lives in 26/11 attacks. Over to you.